Hello everyone, I am Avisha Mukherjee and I am a graphologist. Today I am back with a very interesting and a very useful video on signatures. Today I am going to share with you how to identify fake and deceptive people with the help of signature. But before that, if you have not yet subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel and don't forget to like, comment and share the video with your loved ones. So let us see how to identify fake and deceptive people with the help of signatures. Let me show you. The first one is a very beautiful signature. A signature which is very beautiful, which has a lot of ornamentation. That means the letters are written very beautifully, or the letters are very much twisted, and the letters are in something which is extraordinarily beautiful. These type of signatures represent people who are not actually showing their real side. These are people who are actually fake. So be very careful with these type of people. You know what? People who sign in a way which is very extraordinary, or which is very much ornamented, which is the letters are very stylish. They try to present themselves as people who are very extraordinary, very stylish, and they will behave very well with you. They will be speaking very beautifully, but these are the people who will never show you their real side. So if you look at their real handwriting, 90% of the time you will see that the real handwriting is not like their signature. So that itself shows that this is not their actual personality which they are actually showing you. So be very careful with this type of people. The second one is a signature which has lots of clashes and cuts. Signatures which have lots of clashes and cuts. If your partner is having this type of signature, if your husband, your wife or your partner is having a signature which has lots of cuts and clashes, then I can assure you on the fact that you will be having, you will be fighting most of the days, and there will be a lot of conflicts and fights in the relationship, and you cannot escape it, because these type of people will have a lot of inner conflicts. They will always fight with themselves. They will always, they will never be satisfied with anything in their life. So they can never have a very good or beautiful relationship with people. In every relationship, they will be fighting, and they will have a lot of complications and lot of conflicts. Because even if you look at their health, then you will find that they are not very healthy, because there is a lot of clashes in the signature. Means that your body is also not working properly. There is also a lot of there are a lot of complications in your bodies and your system. So these type of people can never provide you with a very happy relationship. So if you are looking for a partner, if you are like liking someone, or if you want to attract someone in case of relationship, then please have a look at their signature. And if you find their signature having lots of cuts and clashes, then be a little careful, because you will never have a happy relationship with them. And if you yourself is having a signature which has a lot of cuts and clashes, then change it immediately, because this will cause a lot of problems in your health, and this will never give you happiness in life. Okay, so this is the next one. And the third one is the most important. Please see, signatures which are unreadable. Signatures which are unreadable, that means a signature when I'm looking at the signature, I'm not being able to decipher what the person has written. I'm not being able to clearly understand the person's name or what the person has written. These type of signatures are very, very dangerous, because these type of people will never ever show you their real face. They are hiding something from you. They have a lot of they will never understand their real intentions. They will never ever show you their real intention. So be very careful with signatures which are unreadable. So this is you can call them people who are deceptive, who are fake. Because people who are not, signature is a representation of myself, my own character. So if my character is not readable, if I am not readable, if you are not being able to understand that what actually I am, if I am not being able to read what is written, what I am writing, that means that you cannot read me as well, you cannot understand me as well. So these type of people will never show you their real face. These type of people have a lot of thing in their life which they are hiding from others. They don't want to reveal themselves in front of others. So if you are seeing people with signatures which are unreadable, which you are not being able to understand that what the person has written, please be very careful with these type of people. Don't trust them blindly. Now if you are having a signature which has these type of qualities, unreadable signature, or signature which has lots of ornamentation or signature which has lots of clashes and a lot of signature which are not actually perfectly written, or signatures which are not simple, then it is advisable that please change it immediately, because this is going to give a very this is going to affect your life in a very negative way. This is going to affect your health as well. So it is be true to yourself. It is never too late actually. So please change it. If you are having these type of things, please change it. And if you are seeing people, your friends, or someone you are working with, or someone any person who is having these type of characteristics in their signature, it is advisable that do not trust them blindly, but that does not mean that you will start hating them. So always never give a vibration of hatred or a vibration of a negative vibration to any people, because that will actually harm you, because whatever you will give to this universe, you will get double of it. You will get exactly the same return, or you will get double of it. So never ever give vibrations of hatred or vibrations of negative vibrations to people. What happens is, people who are signing in all this negative way, people who are having negative characteristics in their personality, these type of people are actually not happy in their own life. They have a lot of problem, and they have a lot of insecurities within them, that is making them a little bit of deceptive, and that is forcing them to do something which is actually not correct. So if you are remember one thing, that all that glitters is not gold. So in case of the first signature, which is a very beautiful signatures which are very attractive, so all that glitters is not gold, often you have heard that told. So please be very careful with people who have signatures which are very beautiful, very ornamented, and please avoid these type of people, because whatever they are telling you, or whatever they are they are showing you, is not the truth. And this I can assure you, as a certified graphologist, I can assure you that they are not showing you their real personality, they are not showing you their real self. So be very careful. And if you are choosing your partner, if you are in a relationship, or if you are choosing your partner, even if your partner is having a signature which has lots of clashes and cuts, then please tell them to change it, and this will reduce chances of fights and regular fights. And because these type of people will be having regular fights, that is 100% guaranteed that you will be having regular fights and conflicts. So if you change this, then automatically you will see your relationship, the problems in your relationships will be reducing. And in case of the third signature, unreadable signature, that is I don't know what to tell about that, because these are the people who are actually, you can label them as fake people. So be very careful from them. So this is a very interesting thing. And I hope that this will be very useful to all of you, because we are living in a world where we are not being able to understand the real face of people. People are so much, there is people will never show you their real personality. So we all want to know that what is behind the mask, what is behind their these nice gestures. So please look at their signatures, and I hope that this will be very useful for you, and please implement all these things in your life. If you are having all these things in your own signature, change it as soon as possible. So be true to yourself, give yourself so much love, and try to take yourself towards all kinds of positivities, and your life will always flourish. So I hope that this is very useful, and I hope that if you have liked this video, this is a very useful topic, and I thought of discussing it with all of you. So if you have liked this video, and if you have found this video useful, then please like it, and Please comment and please share it with your loved ones. Please share the video as much as possible, because this will be a great help to all your loved ones. So do share it, and if you have not yet subscribed my channel, please subscribe. Thank you.